the average person who doesn't have your investment skills and they want to not lose their money, would you recommend that they play the stock market, they buy mutual funds? What do you recommend to the average investor?
Well, playing the stock market, no, playing is not a word I would choose. I would recommend that they put a similar sum, and maybe they'd be earning more as they went along, but save something every month and basically put it in an index fund.
Right.
They are not in a position to make judgments on stocks themselves. They're not in the game any more than I can prescribe in medicine or something of the sort. They will get a good result. The American economy has done wonderfully. I mean, if you take the 20th century, the Dow started at 66 and it ended at 11,400.
Right.
Now think of that. How could anybody get a bad result in investing starting at 66 and 11,400? But a lot of people do because they jump in at the wrong time or they think they know this stock versus that stock. But the average person should just consistently buy equities, which to me are by far the most attractive investment choice around, and put it in, and if they do that for 20 or 30 years, they'll do very well.
But you don't subscribe to the efficient market theory that says that basically you can't beat the stock market? You subscribe to that theory that you can't, or you?
Well, if I'd subscribe to that theory, right. I'd still be delivering papers.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
No, I don't think there's any question that certain people who evaluate stocks as businesses can make intelligent decisions about businesses which will enable them to do very well in the securities market. But I don't think somebody that is listening, to a TV channel tell them what to do, or somebody jumping around with histrionics, or even some salesperson who's getting paid more money for selling them something and getting them to change tomorrow is the key to it.